Clients sometimes ask me, do I really need an attorney to file for divorce in Florida? I'm attorney Paul John Scanziani, and I can answer that question for you. The reason I can answer that question for you is I have over 10 years experience in the area of family law. I've been with my wife, who's a judge, for almost 30 years, and I have given counsel to numerous clients that have represented themselves originally or have thought about getting a divorce on their own, but have thought against it and hired us as their attorneys. The simple answer is yes, you can file for divorce in the state of Florida without an attorney. That's probably not the best idea. The reason why is because unless you're an attorney, you do not fully know what rights you have. You don't fully understand what financial relief you should be asking for. You do not know how your assets and liabilities should be split. And you don't understand how child custody, parental responsibility, those issues should be addressed when getting a divorce if you or the other side do not have an attorney. If both sides don't have an attorney, then you're going to make the best of it. And there's a lot of things that are probably not going to happen that should happen. The judge cannot act in one side's favor or the other, cannot give counsel. So if both sides are not represented, then perhaps you're not getting a divorce and settling all the matters that you needed to. If you're unrepresented and your spouse that's getting a divorce, they've either asked for the divorce or you've presented them with a divorce, they're represented, then they have someone that has experience in doing this, and you're going in there with less weapons to defend yourself in a divorce. So I wouldn't want to go and get into a legal adversarial environment where I'm underrepresented, I'm not an attorney, and the other side hires an attorney in order to represent them and speak on their behalf. The judge will perhaps know the other attorney and could give them favor unconsciously, subconsciously. So what you want to make sure that you do is understand that if you do not get an attorney, you might be not getting the divorce and settling all the matters that need to be settled, or you could be treated in a manner that is less favorable for you if you're not properly represented. Hopefully this helps you understand the goods, the pros and cons of do I need to get an attorney in the state of Florida to get a divorce? The short answer is no, but the best answer is you probably should get an attorney in order to at least get guidance. If you don't want them to walk you through the whole process, have someone there that you can ask questions and guide you to make sure you avoid the big pitfalls when filing for divorce in the state of Florida. If you have any other questions relating to this matter or anything else in the area of family law, please feel free to reach out to my office. Thank you.